today what I'm going to do is maybe take some hydrangea cuttings, and I was hoping to maybe have a look at my Annabelle one, because apparently I think you're allowed to propagate that now. I'm going to, usually what I do is get like a pot like that and then cut this in half and put that over. But what I'm going to do today is try and do, like, you know, when you do the seed starting and winter sowing, couldn't think of the word, when you do like the winter sowing method, I thought I'm going to do it a bit like that. So put the compost, like I've got a 2 litre bottle, cut it so that it opens up like that. I've put lots of drainage holes, I don't know if you can see that, in the bottom as well. And now I'm going to fill it up with some compost. I was just checking in here a minute ago to make sure there's no yucky things. I've seen like a lot of frogs, and I know, well, I don't know if they're frogs or toads, but anyway, I've seen a lot of little baby ones, and I know they're quite cute, and I don't mind them being in the garden at all. I just want to know where they are. I don't want them jumping out at me and giving me a big massive fright. So I filled it up quite a bit, but I think that's going to go down quite a bit. I'm going to add some water, that'll help it go down to the level it's going to. And that's quite good because it's just showing it's got lots of good drainage there. So it's not going to, I mean, it's a bit waterlogged just now, but it's not going to stay waterlogged. And I'll put some more compost in. I'll try that again. Some more water. Yeah, that's looking good. It's such a gorgeous day today. We've had it like really hot. Well, this is the start of September, and we've had it really warm, which is nice, but it's been so muggy, and I don't know, there's days where I feel like I haven't washed my face when I have, because you know, it just gets all that sticky way. So today it's nice and sunny. I can feel the warmth from the sun, but it's not feeling muggy. It's actually got quite that sort of crisp feeling that you get at the start of autumn, so I'm really liking it. It's really nice to be sitting out in, so lucky me to be off today. So anyway, I've got my rooting powder. It's Westland organic rooting powder. I've had this for ages and it never seems to go down. So I think what we'll do is go and see if we can see anything for cutting. I've done it before on this hydrangea and I've had a little bit of success, so hopefully I'll be able to repeat that again. I don't want to cut any that's got flowers. I mean, we've got this one down here, that's just a tiny one and it's kind of going a bit brown, so I don't really mind cutting that one off. So we'll keep that one. There's another one. Yeah, I'll take that one. I know it's got flowers and technically not meant to, but that one's dead, so hopefully we'll be able to cut that off. So scared in case a frog jumps out. How many have we got? 2. I think I'll just cut. I'll cut that one as well. So I think I'm only going to get 3 because it's a fairly new plant, so I don't want to cut too much and then ruin how it grows. So I'm going to cut off these bottom leaves. Like that. And I'm going to cut off, can't see what you can see, so I'm going to cut off this bloom, which is sad, it's really pretty, and I'm left with these two leaves, and I think they're quite big still, so I'm going to cut them in half too. And I'm just going to cut this a little bit closer to the bit that I just cut the leaves off of. And I've got my rooting powder here, so I'm going to dip it in water actually, and then hopefully that'll make it, the rooting powder stick a bit better. So I've just made a little, hole down here, and I'm going to push that cutting. Hopefully you can see that. I can't see, but you can see because it's so bright out here. And then I'm just going to repeat that. Close this lid over, or the bottom over, and just sticking this tape everywhere apart from where it's meant to go. And I'm going to put this into two. So one at that side and one at that side. Doesn't look like it's going to stick very well, but I'm going to put this just in a nice sort of sheltered area so that it doesn't, I mean we've got quite intense sun today, so that it doesn't end up like getting fried alive. Like this is one of my favourite things to do, is like take cuttings and things like that and grow from seed, collect my own seeds, because I love a trip to the garden centre to buy a plant, but I can't always do that because it's quite expensive. So if I can make plants for free, I quite enjoy doing that. I think, oh actually, this is the other cutting that I took, but this is from the purple, the lace cap, and it's coming on really good, it's looking nice and healthy. So hopefully, I don't know, perhaps it might flower next year or the year after, but that should grow quite quickly once next year comes, I think. Anyway, like, I really hope that you get the chance to do something you enjoy today, whether it be out in the garden or whatever it is you enjoy, whatever you find relaxing. Try and get a little bit of time to do that, because it, I think it's good for your soul. Anyway, thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed it. Any tips that you can give me about taking cuttings and things, much appreciated. Or any questions, you could always leave them below and maybe someone else could answer if I don't know the answer. Anyway, thank you so much, bye. I thought that you might like to see another cutting that I took. This was about, I think it was a year ago. Can you see the size of that? It's looking really, really good. It's probably about 2 feet tall. There's no blooms on it yet, but I think it kind of struggled because I was initially going to try and make it into one of the standard type ones, and I think I really sort of caused it quite a bit of shock. So possibly I would have had blooms this year, but I think probably definitely next year because it's looking really nice. Anyway, I thought you might like to see that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.